What's up, guys? I am filming another day in my life, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I work and how I film and the whole process of filming a video. So right now I am getting ready. I actually just did a quick little body shower. I am going to do my makeup, hair to get ready for a video. So for vlogs, I never really wear makeup. I don't think I need it. I really want to show you guys just like what I actually do in a day-to-day life. So I'm not like dressing up for you guys, not trying to impress anyone here, just trying to be real. And whenever I film sit-down videos, I really like getting ready because the camera's just on me the whole time. Really good lighting, which really shows off all of the imperfections. So I'm gonna be filming a day in my life and just showing you guys how I get ready to film a video. So it's gonna be a get ready with me, not gonna show you guys my makeup because I'm actually gonna film a separate get ready with me another day, but gonna do my makeup. It's gonna feel good to have some on because I haven't worn makeup in quite a long time, but I also just like love not wearing makeup. It's so freeing. A lot of you guys have been asking me how I have cleared my skin, and since I've been home, I didn't expect to be home for this long, so I actually didn't bring like all my skincare stuff from New York because I knew that I love BioClarity like in the past, so I just like ordered a set. I ordered the acne set, and this isn't sponsored or anything, but ordered that and it's been really helping my skin clear up. I know a lot of people were asking about that because I did have acne in a few of my previous vlogs, so I'm gonna zoom this camera in really quickly. You guys can see I still have some spots, but nothing really active. It'll be easy to clear with makeup on, so yeah, so let's just get ready for the video. Listening to Gals on the Go with Danielle's boyfriend. I'm excited for this one. I don't know, I love hearing about different couples. I know that sounds kind of strange, but I'm excited to hear about it. So let's do this. What's up, everyone? It's Natalie here, and today I am going to be filming a very, very exciting video. Just finished recording. Let me show you guys my setup. I got all ready, did a bold color shirt, and I'm still wearing leggings, you guys. This is how I record. This is the setup. So I dragged over the nightstand, stacked a bunch of books, stacked a candle, and sat in this chair. The background I thought would be cute because of that, but like there's just nothing on the walls, so it's so plain and depressing. But the content, guys, is good. This is a good episode. Or a good video. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. I want to interrupt this vlog to mention our sponsor, Squarespace. If you guys didn't know, Squarespace is one of my favorite companies because they basically helped create my website. And what I mean by help create my website is that I didn't need to know how to code. I didn't need to know how to make a nice theme. They have so many themes. It's so easy. Everything is customizable. You don't need to know a single bit of code, and you can create a beautiful, stunning website. So no matter what you're creating, whether it's a blog, whether it is a portfolio, whether it is an online store, you can create it on Squarespace with amazing templates, and literally in like 5 minutes your website can be up and running. Also, they have a lot of integrations. So I have my own website where I take consultations. I'm selling some ebooks. I have people that book appointments with me. They contact me through there, and Squarespace has everything super easily integrated. They also do email marketing campaigns, which is really cool, so you don't have to have any third-party sites, and you can also book directly through Squarespace. So again, no third-party sites, which is amazing. I like things to be simple and seamless and integrated. I don't want to pay for a million subscriptions, so I really love that Squarespace has everything in one. And then you guys know I've used it for my website, tried different ones. Squarespace definitely is the best one, and it's the most customizable. But if you guys want 10% off your first purchase or 10% off of a domain, you guys can use my code Natalie Barbu, or you guys can go to squarespace.com/Natalie Barbu. You're not going to find a better website builder, so check it out, especially in quarantine. If you guys are trying to create your business, jumpstart it right now, you have the time in the world, then be sure to check out Squarespace. I have been chilling here in my room, and I just finished editing my podcast episode. So I'm pretty sure it took me like 4 hours to edit this or I don't know why I keep saying episode. It's not a podcast episode, it's a video. Pretty sure it took me 4 hours. Let me check. I feel like 3.5 hours to edit. So in case you guys were wondering how long it takes me, it just takes me a lot because I like cut a lot of it, and then like adding music, adding the titles, adding the transitions, all of that just like adds up. But it's exporting. I still have one last thing of work to do today. I am actually going to be writing the outline of my video that I'm filming tomorrow. A few days I had no consultations because I scheduled all my consultations at the beginning of the week so that I could do all my like YouTube work stuff on this day. But I also have one last thing to do that I need to do tomorrow. I'm just like trying to plan my life, guys. It's kind of hard organizing consultations, YouTube, and also client work. Like, it's a lot. So I'm trying to like see the best way to organize my time. And if you guys are not doing happy hours with alcohol or not alcohol, you don't have to obviously be drinking, but I am drinking wine. I poured myself a very fat glass of wine so I don't have to go back downstairs because I'm that lazy. About to FaceTime Tasha, so cheers, guys. Morning, everyone. My room is a giant mess. What the heck? But I did get a cute package this morning from Jess Conti. So she has a line with Windsor, which Windsor's like one of my favorite stores. I've literally been working with them and shopping from there since I was in high school. No, freshman year of college. This really cute dress. I feel like this is like a good Easter Sunday dress. I know obviously we're not going to actual church for Easter Sunday, but like around the house, how cute. It's like a long maxi dress and it's so soft. I feel like I could sleep in it. I just really like it. It makes me also happy. Colors and just like the texture and everything, it's just really, really nice and very lively, so love that. This one's actually my favorite thing that she sent, so I love this. The color is so pretty. It's like a nice sky blue with some like orange flowers, cropped ties at the front. Like this is so me and so my style. I think it's just so cute. And then she sent me a pair of white jeans, like ripped white jeans to go with it. I mean, I don't know if it's to go with it, but I would wear it together. And they're so cute and very, very stretchy. Perfect, because I didn't really bring that much home. So I will be wearing this, and I think it's so cute. Thank you so much, Jess and Windsor, for sending this stuff to me. Hopping on a call. Hey, it's Natalie. Good, how are you?
Pretty good. The weather's been really nice here, so...
Hey guys, I just thought I would stop by and give you guys an update. So now I'm actually watching Michelle Reed's vlog, and I feel like I haven't been watching that much YouTube lately because I just haven't been like motivated, and whenever I'm not as motivated, I don't watch that much YouTube. I felt like watching her vlog because I really like her videos. I am about to work out. I'm about to do my friend Allie's live stream workout. So she live streamed it, but I'm not doing it while it's live. I'm gonna do it afterwards, and I'm trying to convince my brother to do it with me because it's a yoga sculpt class, and I just feel like he should do it with me because he never does yoga, so I really want him to do it. He's debating it, so I'm waiting until he's like ready to do it. I took off my makeup, obviously, and I am feeling a lot better this week. I'm gonna say this week has been such a better week for me, but I want to know your thoughts. It's hard because I'm a very like future oriented person, and I'm always planning for the future. I can't like I don't want to say there's no future because there is a future, but we just don't know when that will be, like when this will be over. So it's really hard to plan, and I know there's so much bigger problems than that. I'm not like complaining about not being able to plan. I'm just like talking you guys through my thoughts. I don't know, I just feel weird. I've been sleeping really, really weird hours. Like I go to bed at 12 and then I'll wake up at 11, which is just like so not like me. Or I'll go to bed at 1 and wake up at 10:30 or whatever, and it's just like so not me. And I don't want to work out in the morning, so I'll work out in the afternoon. And I know that's like really weird to talk about, but it's just like I feel like I'm so off lately, and I've been having very, very strange dreams, and I know Michelle mentioned that in her video, and my theory is that one, yes, things are weird. We're not really doing much, so it's a very, very mundane days, which I don't know if that affects your dreams, but I feel like it might affect them. Like if you're not doing anything during the day and everything is so repetitive, it might affect your dreams. But I think the number one thing why my sleep schedule is so off is because my screen time has been up. It had to go up like 300%. Like I'm literally on my phone at all times, or on my laptop at all times. Like I am never not on one of those two things. It's actually ridiculous because there's nothing to do. Like what am I gonna do? Go somewhere, hang out with friends? Like I can't. So I feel like I'm just like on my phone all day, and I feel like the blue light really, really like messes with me and like messes with my sleep schedule. And so that's why I've been trying to wear like my anti-blue light glasses a lot longer and a lot more. I'm just trying to think of different ways to help out, and just thinking of you guys, and trying to make my videos helpful but also entertaining but also not insensitive, and also like I don't need to talk about coronavirus all the time. It's kind of all we can talk about, and it's just a weird, weird, weird time, guys. I don't know. I want my videos to be uplifting, and this one's definitely not, so I'm sorry. I feel like this vlog is boring too. Just kind of going through my thoughts with you, but it's okay if you guys feel kind of the same. Like this isn't normal, so it shouldn't, it does not gonna feel normal, but Oh, guys, I'm just praying for everyone that has lost their jobs, everyone that has someone in the family with the virus, that has the virus, anyone who is financially impacted, anyone who can't pay rent, who's worrying about that, or if you guys are at home and you guys don't have a good home situation. Like, if you guys are all alone and you're very lonely and you can't travel, if you guys are in a place where you don't want to be for a few weeks, but like it's looking like it, like I'm just praying for all of you, because this is hard for so many people, like so many people. And I just like, I feel like me putting this video is like, why am I putting this video? It's not gonna help anyone, but I don't know. Do you guys know what I'm saying? And everything, I'm like not supposed to touch my face, and here I am like I think I should turn the camera off because I don't know what I'm saying. I'm so tired. My eyes are just like, from like the screen time, they're like puffy. I think it's from staring at a screen all day. Okay, I think I'm gonna finish her vlog and then work out and convince my brother, so crossing my fingers that he does it with me.
Woke up at 11 o'clock, I ain't got no job, what the hell should I do today? This feel like some mountain, oh my god, shut the fuck up in here and what you gotta say? What the deal, how you feel, not important. All I'm thinking about is riding in these Porsches, but don't be coming at me with that horse acting like you know me, that's the worst. I know in my soul I didn't call you. That's just how it goes. When I do get know you, these days I'm getting no sleep. Come on, they don't know me. Couple minutes and I'll be good. Let me drink my coffee. Back up. That's the greeting you gon' get if you step up. Messed up, well I've been and done when I tense up. That patience wearing out, playing dress up.